teach them. They know how to
Hey, y'all gonna shoot this? The bolt face, because sometimes rounds like to get stuck in there, so you gotta make your shots. To load it up, you just gotta slide the rounds in until they get hooked on that little motherfucker right there. Fortunately, we don't got hold it in place.
got it.
Fortunately, we don't got ammo cans, so like slide out a little bit. It's probably not gonna malfunction on us. You want to make sure this lever's to the right. If this lever's to the left, it won't close, and you'll just end up slamming it a whole bunch of times and bend the shit. So make sure this lever's to the right. Slam it down, should be good. And then you gotta charge it twice. You gotta charge it, put it on fire, squeeze the trigger. If that's what should happen. That should be the ghost round. And then you charge again. That should put the round in.
Is it just single shot?
If you're having trouble with the...
He's stuck. Is it stuck on the bolt face?
This was happening last time.
Yeah, there's one stuck. Screwdriver! You got a screwdriver?
You guys got a screwdriver?
There we go. We're good.
You got it.
Sometimes you need...
Yeah, wait. Now you can adjust. Yep. Way too high? Yeah. Ready? Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright.
So you're going to do that again.
Alright, I had now.
Alright, now it's going to fire.
Alright.
You got one more.
Ooh.
Actually, now you're good.
Om du gick amgeskytter då så...
Alright. So cool. Who's next? Yeah.
Vad tar vart först?
Alright, charge and fire. So you're gonna grab a hand overhand. There's two buttons down here. See them?
Alright, see if this works. There we go. Still too high.
Right?
Lite spänning.
Yeah, way too high.
Vi ska alltså vänster.
It might be a little bit too low, but fuck
Ready?
it. Yeah.
Hey, they skip off the ground, whatever.
Ja, det är
Still way too high. Still too high. Look, look.
Yeah, jump on there. Somebody shoot it.
Now you can adjust it with the TNE.
Do this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just take it up for a target. Ain't that bad.
Ready? Yep.
Way too high.
Way too high?
Ja, det tog skuddet
Aim
ändå.
at that fucking car that's
Okay. Yep. Ready? Yep.
a little bit higher.
Att den goda träffar jävla. Har ni lappat skutt på första? Oh!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Ta resten du.
Right through the hole. Shoot it again, make sure it's clear.